Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a flight controller to Betaflight. First, install the Betaflight configurator software on your computer. This free application is essential for managing your drone's brain. Next, ensure your flight controller has the correct firmware already flashed. Finally, connect your flight controller to your computer using a high-quality USB cable, typically a micro or USB-C type, to begin the process. After connecting, you might need to install specific virtual COM port drivers for your flight controller to be recognized. If you encounter connection problems, the Impulse RC Driver Fixer is a highly recommended tool that can resolve many common driver issues with just one click. Always verify that your flight controller appears as a COM port in your computer's device manager before proceeding. With drivers installed, open the Betaflight configurator. In the top right corner, select the correct COM port corresponding to your flight controller. Then, click the Connect button to establish communication. Once connected, navigate to the Setup tab. Here, you will calibrate the accelerometer by placing your drone on a perfectly level surface and clicking Calibrate Accelerometer for accurate flight data. Before making significant changes, always back up your current configuration using the CLI tab. If necessary, you can flash the latest stable firmware version from the Firmware Flasher tab, ensuring optimal performance and new features. Finally, proceed to configure essential settings such as your receiver type, motor protocols, and flight modes, tailoring your drone's behavior to your preferences for a safe and enjoyable flight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.